Alright, time for another episode of Will It Dehydrate? And what will it look like when it's done dehydrating? Today we're going to do a variety of vegetables. First, we're going to try pickles. These are dill pickles. They've been drained. And I pat them down a little bit, try to take away some of the moisture. Maybe help speed up the drying process. So we're going to layer those on there. Okay, well, we'll do pickles on one side and cucumbers on the other. Kind of curious what these will look like when they're done dehydrating, so we'll give cucumbers a try too. Do half and half. Squeeze a couple more pickles on there. So I've never tried these before. Some of the stuff I dehydrate I've done before, others I haven't. So pickles is something I have not tried yet. Alright. Now for the next layer, we're going to do pickled jalapenos. I've never tried drying a pickled product, so this is all new here. So we'll do, try to spread them out a little bit. Once again, I've drained these out and I've patted them down with a paper towel to get rid of a lot of the moisture. Maybe cut down on the drying time a little bit. Got a couple extra pickles, so we'll throw those on there. A few less cucumbers. I'm just going to try some celery this time. This is only a couple stalks. Figure I'd give them a try anyway. And for the last ingredient today, olives. Sliced black olives. Some are falling through. It's alright. I've already drained these out. Got a lot of the moisture out. These won't fall through. Yeah. That'll be good for now. And they're ready to dehydrate. Okay, here we go. This has been drying overnight, so let's take a look at what we have. Wow, the celery looks rather interesting. Almost looks like a little worm. So the celery kind of dehydrated interestingly. The olives, alright, interesting still. Still worth the experimentation. Jalapeno peppers. sure it's just going well. Alright, not very good. Oh. Cucumber chips, anyone? Nope. Not a winner either. That's funny, they look like little worms. Pickles. Let's see how the pickles taste. Look. Crispy. Alright. Not too good either. That was a pretty neat little experimentation. Didn't know how any of these would turn out. And unless you have a real taste for something like this, I don't think I'll be doing this again. This did not turn out like I wanted to. So, happy dehydrating, everyone.